Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today, we'll be assembling the Berkeley 107cm table. Inside the box, you will need to locate the bolt pack. Carefully empty the bolt pack to ensure you have the assembly instructions and the lists of components and fixings. Using this list, please check you have the correct amount of components and fixings and read through the instructions carefully before starting assembly. On this list, you will see screw-in feet. These should already be inside the table legs. Please allow up to 30 minutes. Although assembly only requires one person, it will always be easier with the help of a friend. Also in the box, you should have these components: 1 tabletop, 2 centre squares, and 4 table legs. Pro tip: place a lock washer and then the flat washer onto all bolts for a hassle-free assembly. Using these bolts, loosely attach the centre square to the table leg. Using the same leg, attach the other centre square. Attach the next leg and make sure all feet are facing upwards. Repeat this process for all legs. Do not tighten any bolts at this stage as you'll need the flexibility. On a soft surface, place the tabletop face down and loosely attach the bolts to the tabletop. Pro tip: when attaching these bolts, ensure the screwdriver thread is face up. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 bolts. Once completed, use a flathead screwdriver and tighten. Be careful not to over-tighten as aluminium is a soft metal and this will cause the thread to become damaged. Then attach the 4 legs onto the tabletop and slide a big flat washer, big lock washer, and the nut onto the bolt. Repeat for all 4 legs. Now, secure all bolts using a 14mm spanner and the Allen key provided, and put on the resin nut caps. Finally, turn the table onto its legs and use the screw-in feet to level the table. Hartman: comfort, design, quality.